So, y'all, we gotta get these stains out of this jacket here. And I was looking online and I saw where somebody got a really huge stain out of their clothes with using this baking soda and hot water. Hot water in. Y'all see it's hot. Pouring it in. And then you put this in. Y'all, we're gonna pray. If this don't work, y'all gonna have to send me some. Oh, it's bubbling, y'all. Ooh. Okay. Put some of that in there. And then I am going to scrub it and let it sit all day. So we're gonna start with this stain. So y'all know I took this jacket to the cleaners and they said that they had tried to get, oh my God. Y'all, this stain came out that easy. Okay, we're gonna have to, okay. All right, let me see if these other stains. Wow, y'all. Let me find out. I should have did this instead of wasting $25 because they charged me $25 to clean this coat. So I should have did that, y'all. What was I thinking? Trying to spend some money. Next time, I've learned my lesson. I haven't done this in a long time. This is a rookie mistake here. I normally bring tie pins so I can make sure that I get it out of my clothing, y'all, but I didn't have any on me that day. I actually need to re-up on them. So, yeah. And y'all, this is a side note. This is me talking with y'all while I am scrubbing it down. It looks like it's coming out though. Okay, let me find out. You can go to the internet about anything, okay? I won't do this ever again though, but hopefully this comes out, guys. And then I think I'm gonna steam it, y'all. I saw somewhere where they steamed it after they cleaned it. So I'm gonna try to do that too. But yeah, y'all hear my phone going off because I just sent out some invitations for my birthday. I didn't want to do anything. Y'all, I'm not really a big person, like a big birthday person. But you know what? I was like, you know, this is a milestone birthday. Let me just celebrate it with my gals. So I sent out a text to everybody. Hopefully they let me know. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. But y'all, it look like these spots are actually coming out. And I almost can't believe it. Wow. Oh, I don't have any more. Alright, let's pray and hope that this comes out below and let me know if you think that those things are gonna come out. Comment below. Y'all let me know. And we should be back in business. I should have probably did this in the first place. Why would I take it to the cleaners and spend more money? That's a big no-no. Alright guys, we're going to hang this up and let it dry. Let it soak up. I can't believe it. Alright. So this is how it looks now. This probably can't really see much, but oh, wow. But like I said, y'all, I'm not a big birthday person, so I just sent out some invitations for everybody to join me for brunch for my birthday. It's just a little brunchy brunch with the gals. And so that's when my phone is going off because people are texting me back, letting me know if they can make it or not. But yeah, all right. So let's run errands. I have to go to the grocery store, and I don't know where. Oh, I do have to go to the thrift store. I have to pick up a frame because I am doing a $2 bill for Max because my baby is turning 2, y'all, and I can't believe it. Okay, let me hang this up. I'm gonna call y'all back. All right, y'all. I just got home from grocery shopping, so it's probably been about maybe an hour or 2, and the coat is still drying, but y'all, the spots are out. Well, this is a little spot right here that I need to go back. Do y'all see the spots? Let me see. Yeah, it's still drying, but I think it dried pretty good, y'all. I think I need to hit it again and then also let it dry and see how the spots dry. So I'll do that. And I think I'm gonna go live, y'all, while I'm editing, doing some editing. I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I think it's working, guys. I did go to Ross, y'all. Let me show y'all what I picked up at Ross for. I think it was like $25, y'all. And then I did stop to the thrift store. I didn't film in there, but I did stop and I found another leather jacket. I don't know if it's 100% leather, but the leather feels really good and nice. Let me show y'all. So this is the jacket that I found at the thrift store. It's an extra large, but it kind of fits. Let me show y'all. This is how it looks. Let me take it off of face. Okay. This is how it looks on. I think what I'm gonna do is get me like a black fur scarf, and this would be super, super cute. And I like the length of it too, but it fits me really good. But again, I don't know if this is genuine leather, but it looks so good. Like, I don't know, I had to have it. I think it was $6.99. So I got this coat, and then, cause I don't have a lot of black coats, y'all. So I was like, let me get that. And you know, I got this coat right here. This is a small. I wish they had a medium. I'm gonna go back to the other ones to see if they have a medium. But, cause I probably need to up this size here. But I love the color of this. It feels so good, y'all. It feels so good. And it has the, I mean, it fits me, but I would like to have some room, because if I'm wearing this type of jacket, I'm definitely layering up. So, but I thought it was so cute. I love the color and the fur here. Fur is definitely in. So yeah, it looks good, it fits me good. This is another find. So I'm gonna stay tuned. I'm gonna check back in with y'all. I'm gonna let a couple of days pass to see if that spot is out. Well, those spots are out of my jacket, and I will report back to you guys, okay? All right, let me go live and do some editing.